the shadowy corridors of the human psyche, where darkness blends with desire, lies the enigma of the serial killer's mind. From the notorious Ted Bundy to the chilling confessions of Jeffrey Dahmer, the captured serial killers of our time have provided unsettling insights into their compulsions. But what truly compels these individuals to commit such heinous acts repeatedly? Locked away from society, many incarcerated killers have shared their narratives, offering glimpses into the depths of their minds. One might wonder how these individuals rationalize their actions and why the gruesome repetition of violence seems almost an addiction. Ted Bundy, one of the most infamous names in the history of serial crimes, chillingly described his actions as a sadistic need that he couldn't control, comparing it to an addiction that grew stronger with each kill. Bundy suggested it was a thirst that, once ignited, demanded fulfillment, a terrifying insight into a world without empathy or remorse. Moving from the sinister charm of Bundy to the haunting confessions of Jeffrey Dahmer, we encounter a different facet of compulsion. Dahmer delved into the origins of his acts, attributing them to a deep-seated desire for control and companionship, yet manifested in the most grotesque of manners. He recounted his overwhelming urge to possess his victims completely to the point where their resistance ceased to exist. Dahmer's confessions paint a picture of profound isolation and a twisted longing for permanence with his crimes, as a macabre attempt to halt time. Both of these men, among many others, speak of an insatiable need that defies conventional understanding, a pattern experts have often likened to addiction. It's this compulsive cycle that keeps them locked in a state of psychological warfare, battling between recognizing the horror of their actions and succumbing to their urges. This duality is what intrigues psychologists and criminologists alike as they probe into whether these compulsions stem from nature, nurture, or perhaps a chaotic blend of both. In looking for answers, science turns to the study of neurological patterns, questioning whether anomalies in brain structure or chemistry might predispose some individuals to such violent compulsions. MRI scans and psychological assessments have surfaced intriguing yet inconclusive clues, some suggesting that differences in the prefrontal cortex or amygdala could impact impulse control and emotional regulation, potentially leaving a person more susceptible to compulsions. Yet, the debate continues as each case presents unique variables, leading experts to caution against oversimplified conclusions. Ultimately, while these insights from behind bars provide sobering accounts of the compulsions driving serial killers, they remind us of the complexity and the unknown within the human mind. As society grapples with these dark narratives, there lies a profound responsibility to understand not just for fascination, but to prevent future atrocities. The stories of individuals like Bundy and Dahmer are grim reminders of the extremes of human behavior, but they also offer a crucial, albeit uncomfortable, lens into the nature of human compulsion. As we peer into these confessions, we are urged to confront the brutal reality of what can lurk within, an unsettling yet necessary step toward unraveling one of the most intricate puzzles of criminal psychology.